Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a video tutorial to use my custom gauge chart template. So this is for things like this. It's an alternative for progress bars that you could use in reports or maybe dashboards. There are also some alternatives that you could find on the internet for speedometer chart or gauge charts. It's the same thing, but mine has some features that will help you do this thing really quick and easy. Okay, so the first things that you should do is to go on the video description and download the file from the URL that you could see there. I'm gonna open it for you. So it's here. I already opened it. Just will let you know that this is a file that has some macros, so to be able to use it you have to unblock it. For some of you maybe this will be a solution. You have to go into properties and set unblock, because for security reasons it will do it for you. So I will do double clicking here. So you have to enable the content. So we're ready to go. I just want to show you something that I did before. This is the kind of chart that you could get. The features that you will get on the template is that you could be able to change the span or the traveling angle of the gauge. You could change the amount of sections that you will need to in the measurement. You could change the colors of the sections. You could change the labels, and you could also change the value for the needle. So let's get started. And the first thing that you should do is to click new gauge, and it will ask for the parameters to be set on the gauge. This is the traveling angle. It accepts values from 1 to 360. In this case I will use something like 220. Okay, this is the amount of sections that you will have in the gauge. I will put something like 4. This is the thickness of the needle. I recommend something from 2 to 5 degrees. I will set it on 2. This is if you leave this blank, it will be a symmetric gauge along the vertical axis. If you set some value here, it will set the 0 value of the gauge at that degree that you will set here. So I will leave this blank for the moment, and you will see how it works when the gauge is done. And this is the value that you want to display. I will put it something like 50%. It will accept percentages or decimal values. I will leave it here. And this is done. As you can see, you have your gauge here, completely done. The first thing that you could do is to change the label. So let's mimic a gas tank indicator. I will set it like in 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and full. So for that I will do it like this. If you put fractions, to avoid the automatic feature of Excel to change it to dates, you have to put an apostrophe here. So I will do it like this: 1/4, then is 1/2, then it's 3/4, sorry, 3/4, and then full, F for full. The other thing that you could do is change the colors. For the colors, you should start on the second label, so it will start from 1/4. This is the angle for 1/4, so it corresponds to this value. So I will put this in red. I will use this red because the other one is the red for the needle. So I will leave this one. This is the really shiny one, and I will put this at green. And the middle ones I will put it in gray, like in this gray. And after that you could change also the tilting. You can do it here, but you will break the formulas. It all is linked to this one. So let's say that you want this zero value start at 90 degrees, so I will put something like 90 here, and then I will click update, and there you go, you have it there. So I hope this will help you. I hope you like it, and you can subscribe and give me some likes if you want. Okay, and recommendations also. Bye bye.